I'm Tim Anderson, cooking at City Harvest today. I've written a book recently called Microwave Meals, so we're cooking in the microwave today. We're gonna cook something I think a lot of people don't realize you can cook in the microwave, but it's awesome. And that's pasta. Pasta cooks beautifully in the microwave. I'm gonna pop about that much pasta, a little bit of milk, a bit of water. Just enough sort of to barely cover the pasta. Don't want it to be too watery. Little bit of butter. Okay, a fair amount of butter. Cover it with a plate. Beautiful. Full power. This is 700 watts. Wait. Most of these mushrooms are pretty small. Just halve most of them. Some of the bigger ones can be quarter. Right, I chop up some parsley for garnish as well. The lovely wild garlic. Use the stalks and the leaves. So we got our garnish, we got our wild garlic stalks, we got our wild garlic leaves, and we're gonna grab the spinach. So I'll give it a rough chop. Ooh. It's about where we want it to be, about halfway cooked. Yeah, give it a stir. Now we're gonna add our mushrooms. And also the wild garlic stems have been chopped up. We're gonna go in with some chard as well. Quite a lot of pepper. 5 minutes. I'm gonna take some of our cheese. Toasted nori from Clear Spring. Very good stuff. Some brazzles. Yes. Crush them up as well. All right. So we'll whack in our cheese. Spinach. Nice. The wild garlic. The leaves, a couple of things about it. Do it. Give it into black oil. You add just enough water to cover the pasta, a little bit of milk, a little bit of butter. They're delicious.